Welcome back to Bad Rabbit. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the top 5 AI tools for video creation. If you're a content creator or looking to enhance your video production process, this is a must-watch video. So, let's dive right in. Hey there, I'm John, and I'm thrilled to share with you some incredible AI tools that can revolutionize your video creation process. Artificial intelligence has made its way into the world of content creation, providing creators with innovative solutions to streamline their workflow and produce high-quality videos. Are you a content creator looking to level up your video production process? In this video, we explore the top 5 AI tools for video creation that can revolutionize the way you produce videos. From automated video editing and real-time language translation to stunning visual effects and automated storytelling, these AI-powered tools have the potential to transform your content creation workflow. Join us as we dive into the world of AI and discover how these innovative tools can take your videos to the next level. Don't miss out on this valuable information. Watch now and supercharge your video creation process. Before we jump into the specifics, let's quickly understand the power of AI tools for video creation. These tools leverage machine learning algorithms and computer vision to automate and enhance various aspects of the video production process. From video editing and visual effects to automated storytelling and content generation, AI tools have the potential to transform the way we create videos. AI tool number 1: automated video editing. Our first AI tool is an automated video editing software. These tools analyze your raw footage, identify key moments, and intelligently edit the video, saving you hours of manual editing work. With features like automated scene detection, transitions, and even background music suggestions, you can quickly create polished videos with minimal effort. AI tool number 2: real-time language translation. Language barriers are no longer an obstacle to reaching a global audience. AI-powered real-time language translation tools can transcribe and translate your video's dialogue on the fly. This feature allows you to provide subtitles or even dub your videos into multiple languages, making them accessible to a wider audience and boosting engagement. AI tool number 3: automated visual effects. Imagine adding stunning visual effects to your videos without spending hours learning complex software. AI-powered tools can analyze your footage and automatically apply captivating visual effects like background replacement, object tracking, and even 3D animations. These tools can take your videos to the next level, making them visually impressive and engaging. AI tool number 4: automated storytelling. Crafting a compelling story is essential for capturing your audience's attention. AI tools can now analyze your video content, identify key story elements, and generate automated storytelling scripts. These tools can suggest the best narrative structure, highlight emotional moments, and even recommend specific shots to enhance the storytelling aspect of your videos. AI tool number 5: content generation. Generating fresh content ideas can sometimes be a challenge. That's where AI-powered content generation tools come in. These tools can analyze trending topics, user preferences, and even your existing content to generate new video ideas. They can also provide insights on keywords, titles, and video descriptions to optimize your videos for search engines and maximize their reach. And there you have it, the top 5 AI tools for video creation. These tools have the potential to streamline your workflow, enhance your videos, and save you valuable time and effort. Incorporating AI into your video production process can truly take your content creation game to new heights.